So as you can see, Fortnite has been installed. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll show you how you can install Fortnite. If you guys don't know, Apple recently removed Fortnite for violating the company in-app purchase guidelines. This has happened because of Epic Games enable a direct payment feature on Fortnite app, but Google spokesman said Epic has violated rule requiring a developer to use Google's in-app billing system for product within a game. That's why it's got removed. If you don't know what is Epic Game is American video game software. So as you can see, this is the symbol. When you playing the Fortnite games, you can see that symbol. Okay, and also recently Google also has removed Fortnite from Play Store, so it happens immediately yesterday itself. So I'll show you how to install Fortnite on your device. There is two methods. First one, if you are on App Store, you just go to the App Store. Let me show you first. Fortnite is not installed. I don't have a Fortnite installed, so there is no Fortnite on my device. Now first head over to App Store, and as you can see, if I search here Fortnite, you don't get Fortnite here. Now I'll show you how you can get the Fortnite. So if you go to Fortnite and in purchases, okay, so when you went into the purchases, click on my purchases, and there we go, you can see all. So when you see all, there is entire history whatever you download till now. This only works when you previously install Fortnite on your device. So let's say you have installed and you remove that from your device for no reason, and now if you want to get back, go to the purchase, my purchase, and as you can see in all section you can search out Fortnite. Okay, there we go. When you see this cloud, that means you can able to download that. Just click on it, and there we go. As you can see, it started downloading Fortnite. So let me show you on the desktop, on my here. As you can see, it started downloading. So meanwhile, the second method I'll show you, but that is optional. I don't know that will work or not. Right now it's might working, but you can try that out. So this only works when you already install. Okay, so I got lucky, I already installed this on my device. So as you can see, Fortnite has been installed, so I can install Fortnite on my device. So just create your account and you can play the game. If you have signed any one of this account, you go ahead and install it with that. So there we go guys, you can install by this way Fortnite. As you can see, you don't get that in App Store, but I just installed that. So as you can see, now it started getting, and this way you can get Fortnite on your device. Now the second method, if you are new here and you don't know, you never installed Fortnite before, so I'll show you the second method. This is optional. I don't know this works or not, I'm not sure. When you head over to this tutubox.io, you will have this Fortnite. Go ahead and click on Fortnite. You will get this stupid ads, so go ahead and close it, click on it again, and as you can see, install. So when you see install, there we go, and it might install, so you just need to wait because it's a heavy file. So as you can see, it started installing. So this is the first method and this is the second method. So hope you guys understand and you can install. Let me know in the comment section if it works for you or not. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll come up with the new ideas like this. And also guys, hit that like button so it will help me to grow my channel. And I'll catch you in the next video. This is Shivam signing off, and it's always peace.